Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Bronco's crash test performance. We'll explore how this rugged SUV stands up to various impacts, focusing on its safety ratings and protective features. Understanding these results helps you assess its overall safety. We'll look at key areas like frontal and side crash protection, giving you a clear picture of its capabilities. The Ford Bronco generally performs very well in crash tests, often receiving high marks for protecting its occupants. Its strong body structure and advanced safety systems are designed to absorb impact energy effectively. While it excels in many areas, like side impact protection, some evaluations indicate acceptable performance for head restraints and marginal ratings for headlights. When comparing the Ford Bronco to other vehicles, especially those in the off-road SUV segment, its crash test performance is quite competitive. It often holds its own against rivals, demonstrating comparable or even superior protection in various impact scenarios. For example, the Bronco received a good rating in the EIS small overlap front impact test, while the Jeep Wrangler received a marginal score. Ultimately, choosing a safe vehicle involves reviewing comprehensive crash test data and understanding what matters most to you. The Ford Bronco offers a solid safety profile, making it a strong option for many drivers. Always check detailed reports to make an informed decision. And speaking of bringing things to life, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link for it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.